Welcome back. Rape-accused Salcete Sheikh has been suspended from his duty. Sheikh was taken into custody after he surrendered before the Margao police on Tuesday. He will be produced before the court for a remand on Wednesday.
DGP of Goa on Tuesday issued suspension order to PSI Salcete Sheikh. A mother of victim girl had lodged a complaint alleging Salcete Sheikh for raping her teenager daughter since January. PSI Sheikh was attached with Margao traffic cell. He surrendered before the Margao police on Tuesday and has been taken into the custody.
Salcete Sheikh has been arrested and he has been placed under suspension also. He is now in the custody and police are investigating.
With Sushant Pearl, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now we'll look at the other events in the state.
Parents Teachers Association of Dr. K.B. Hegdewar School Panji will host All Goa Vande Mataram competition in association with Directorate of Art and Culture and Kala Academy on 17th August. 71 schools are expected to participate in competition.
वंदे मातरम संपूर्ण वंदे मातरम गोव्यामध्ये सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पाठ यावं. आपल्या शाळेमधल्या नाही, आपल्या शाळेमधल्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना पाठ येतं. संपूर्ण वंदे मातरम आमच्या शाळेमधल्या 1000 मुलांना पाठ येतं हे मी आत्मविश्वासाने सांगू शकतो. एवढी तयारी मुलांची करून घेतलेली आहे.
फर्स्ट प्राइज 5000 आणि ट्रॉफी, सेकंड प्लेस 3000 आणि ट्रॉफी, थर्ड प्लेस 2000 आणि ट्रॉफी आणि 3 कॉन्सोलेशन 1500.
Goa Government Employees Association held a dharna in Panji as a part of nationwide dharna.
We have demanded the immediate withdrawal of pension bill. This is a new pension bill or PRDF. Second demand is merger of 50% of the parity in pay scale. See, government long pending demand which has been fighting by this organization right from 2007 itself. Daily wages who have been pending for 2 decades, more than 2 decades, mandatory on the part of the department to regularize them. They have not been regularized till today.
RTO office was inaugurated at Dharbandoda on Tuesday. Transport Minister Sudin Dhavlikar, Sawadde MLA Ganesh Gaonkar, Transport Director Arun Desai and others were present for the function. Locals of Dharbandoda are happy with the new office as earlier they had to travel all the way to Cape.
हे फुल्ली कंप्युटरायज जातलें. गोवा हे डायरेक्टरान सांगलें की गोवा हे पयलें राज्य भारतांत जे हांव एज ए ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर जॉइन जाले नंतर सबंद डिपार्टमेंट कंप्युटरायज जालो.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Salcete Taluka Chess Association will organize Naik Memorial All India Open Rapid Chess Tournament on Saturday and Sunday in Margao. The tournament is a part of 100-year celebration of Matagramastha Hindu Sabha. Around 200 chess players are expected to participate in the tournament. Prizes worth 60,000 rupees and trophies will be awarded.
Year 2013 being the 100th year of Matagramastha Hindu Sabha, we are organizing in association with our Salcete Taluka Chess Association and Matagram Chaturmas Samiti 2013. It's all India Naik memorable federated rapid chess tournament. This tournament will be organized and held at Babu Naik Hall, Gavorni, on 17th and 18th. We are expecting more than 200 participants and we are also expecting about 50 to 70 participants outside Goa. The prizes here are more than 60,000 plus trophies, and we also have a separate prizes for veterans. Veterans means above 50 years.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.